In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Charles Schwab paper trading. We'll be diving into the paper money feature within the Thinkorswim platform. This is a fantastic way to practice trading with fake money while using real market data. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure you have access. You can do this by having one of two things, either a Charles Schwab account or a Thinkorswim guest pass for limited access. With these, you can log into the Schwab or Thinkorswim platform. Open either the Thinkorswim desktop or web application. Then sign in using your Schwab credentials. It's important to have this access because it ensures you're connected to the platform where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, the next step is to switch to paper money mode. On the login screen, you'll want to choose paper money, which is also called simulated trading, instead of live trading. This selection is crucial because it allows you to practice without risking real money. After you make this choice, enter the platform, and you're ready to explore. Now that you're inside paper money, you'll notice you start with about $100,000 in virtual cash. This virtual money allows you to trade stocks, options, ETFs, and even futures depending on your account settings. This is beneficial because it gives you a broad range of trading experiences and allows you to test different market scenarios without any financial risk. Let's move on to placing your first paper trade. Head over to the Trade tab. Here you can search for a stock such as Apple, which is abbreviated as AAPL. After finding the stock, click on Buy. You'll then need to choose your order type. You can select a market order which executes instantly, or a limit order where you set a specific price. Once you have made your decision, click Send. This step is key to understanding how trades are executed, and it gives you a feel for the trading process. After you've placed your trades, the next thing you'll want to do is monitor them. Navigate to the Monitor tab. Here you can check your open positions, view your profit and loss, and review your order history. Monitoring is essential because it helps you track your performance and make informed decisions. If you ever feel the need to reset or adjust your account, you have that flexibility. You can reset your virtual balance, add more virtual cash, or even restart your paper trading account anytime. This ability to reset is important because it allows you to practice different strategies without any long-term consequences. It's important to remember that paper trading does not involve real money. The fills and prices you see are simulated and do not represent exact real market execution. This platform is best used for learning how to use the tools, practicing different order types, and testing strategies, though it may not offer perfect accuracy. With all these steps completed, you're now equipped to start practicing and honing your trading skills. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your trading activities. Take your time, explore the features, and enjoy the process. Happy trading!